national anthem. Attention.
This is the main event, so give it your...
Enjoy the day. And boys and girls, we have a surprise today. If all goes well, as we said...
Nice!
Brothers, we need on the field. Let's see what
they have just started that event. Tennis ball.
Let's see what the year one boys are doing with the tennis ball relay.
You are distracting these participants.
And also we
have Tatiana Onyango.
Relay. Our next event. Now, event 17.
And then under. There we go. Okay, jump in.
East or west? East or west?
We have a repeat of the same.
Board for you, right there, right? Okay.
That event. Girls sacre 70 meters. Well done.
It will be judged accordingly. It is not a competition between boys and girls, please. They are just competing but together.
Are you guys ready? Yes!
Yes! Ladies, which team is this?
This is a very tight race. A very tight one. I don't know who's going to win this. Is it the parents of...
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I am.
That's the Kenyan. Obviously is going to win.
Daddies, do we have a flag race? Let's all give a round of applause to Mr. Clinton as he comes to give his address. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, first of all, the school for inviting me here. It has been a really good event. And I side, I want to thank the participants, each and every one of you. You have really done your best. For those who have won, congratulations. For those who have still not won, still congratulations. Next time, continue pushing hard, continue struggling to your best. For the parents, thank you for supporting your kids. It means a lot to them that you're here. Even though your kid has not won, just keep on motivating him. Because there is next year, a couple of years, they are going to be somewhere, and maybe this is the talents that you are going to use. For me, as you have heard, I'm Clinton Aluvi, African Under-20 Championship gold medalist. And for me, it was the encouragement of my parents that made me the way and how I am. So parents, keep on encouraging your kids. No matter how, even though they have not won, just keep on motivating them that they can do better. And if they have won, continue encouraging them and so that they can continue training. For the school, thank you. It's a such nice event for organizing this event here for each and every one of them to participate. You know, talents are being brought up in schools so that when they finish school
is none other than Deepa. That's enough. Very fast.